The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, welcome to our English class. No one has ever become poor by giving. And frank. Children, if you are looking for genuine happiness, start giving without expectation. Okay children? Always remember that. Okay? Children, a small recap about Happy Prince. Okay? The Happy Prince is a story about a beautifully decorated statue of a prince who lived a very happy life. Yes? The situation, that is the statue, is decorated with gold and gems. His statue is at the highest point in the city. That's what we studied in our last class. Now, I'll move to the next part of the story. Take your textbook and pencil, listen. Okay, each and every word. Okay, children? Children, the little swallow. One night, there flew over the city a little swallow. His friends had gone away to Egypt to save themselves from the approaching winter. Where shall I stay? He asked himself. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. I will stay there, he cried. He alighted just between the feet of the Happy Prince. Okay children, so here a swallow, it flew over that night. It is flew over the city. Okay, his friends had gone away to Egypt. Why? Because of the approaching winter. That is, they are going to get cold winter, very harsh winter. To save or to protect from that, they are moving from that place. Like that, the swallow friends, they already moved from that place and now the swallow also moving. Okay children? So while they are moving that way, the swallow may be a little late. Now the time was at night. So the swallow thought by himself, where I'll stay. Like that, when that swallow was searching, he saw the statue. That is our Happy Prince statue. Okay? And he alighted just between the feet of the Happy Prince. Alighted meaning get down, that is land. Okay? The swallow landing between the feet of the Happy Prince. Okay children? I have a golden bedroom, he said. When he put his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing, he cried. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. Then another drop fell. I must look for another place, he said, and was about to fly away. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell and he looked up and saw. So, children, here the swallow was happy to have a bedroom. Why? What about the bedroom, children? Because the Happy Prince statue was made of gold. So, in that golden bedroom, now the swallow was sitting in between the feet of the happy prince. Yes, at that time he felt a large drop of waterfall. Yes, he was surprised because at that night time the cloud was not there and the sky was clear, and they can even see in the moonlight. At that time, in that situation, how this waterfall from where? That's what the swallow surprised. Okay, and another waterfall like that, with not a single cloud visible in the sky. Okay, when another drop fell, he decided to move away and look for another place. So at that time, again when the third drop fell on him, he looked up for what reason? In surprise. Okay. Now I'll move to the next page. Listen, the tears. So what that swallow saw, children? Yes. The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. "Who are you?" he asked. Okay, so children, because of that surprise, that swallow looked up. At that time, he saw the eyes of the happy prince was filled with tears. Why? The swallow also asked the statue who he was. "Why you are crying?" That's what the swallow asked. Because of that moonlight, that happy prince's eyes was glittering. Okay, in that situation, the swallow asked who he was. "I am the happy prince." "Why are you weeping then?" asked the swallow. "When I was alive, I did not know what tears were. I lived in the palace. Sorrow was not allowed to enter there. Everything about me was so beautiful. My courtiers called me the happy prince, and happy indeed I was if pleasure be happiness." So what happy prince said? That happy prince replied that when he was inside the palace, he did not know about sadness. Yes, what sorrow was. Everything was so beautiful inside the palace, and so he was addressed by the courtiers as happy prince. തൻ്റെ കൊട്ടാരത്തിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ happy prince എന്നും സന്തോഷമായിരുന്നു, എപ്പോഴും. Because of that pleasure, always he was in the happy mood. Okay, because of that, he called as happy prince. Okay, children, next. "So I lived and so I died, and now that I am dead, they have set me up here high. I can see all the ugliness and the misery of my city, and though my heart is made of lead, I cannot but weep." So poor happy prince, because he was born and brought up in a happy situation, and at the time of his death also he was happy, and that's why he said, "So I lived and so I died." എങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ ജീവിച്ചോ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ഞാൻ മരിച്ചു, എങ്ങനെ സന്തോഷമായിരുന്നോ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ഞാൻ മരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. Because of that happiness, and now that I am dead, they have set me up here high. So what happy prince said after this death, after this erection of this statue, that he understood that ugliness and misery. Okay, misery means bad situation, suffering, not at all comfortable. He can see his own city as such, without any happiness. Only he was happy at that time, his city was not. So that's what happy prince say. He could not even weep. Why? Because his heart is made of lead. ലെഡാണ്, പുറത്ത് സ്വർണം കൊണ്ട് തകിടാണ്, ഉള്ളിൽ ലെഡാണ്. യെസ്, ഈവൻ ദോ മൈ ഹാർട്ട് ഇസ് മെയ്ഡ് ഓഫ് ലെഡ്, he cannot stop weeping. I cannot. That's what he said. I cannot. എന്നെ കൊണ്ട് പറ്റില്ല, എന്നിട്ടും ഞാൻ കരയാണ്. That's the poor situation of our happy prince. Okay. Now I'll move to the request. The request. All of you turn the page, take your pencil, go through that. Okay. So children, why do you think the prince was crying? Why? What's the situation? What was going on in that city? Let's see. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away in a little street, there is a poor house. One of the windows is open, and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. She is so tired. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. He has a fever and is asking for oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he is crying. Okay children, so such a poor condition what happy prince saw, and because of that happy prince was crying. So what happy prince said now? That's far away. He start like that. Far away. You will get the far away place. There was a poor house where he could see a tired woman seated at a table next to a bed where a little boy was lying ill. He had fever. That boy, the little boy, had fever and was asking for oranges. Because of that high fever, we also had some different feeling. We never like to drink water. Okay, we need something much more better. Like that, this boy also asking for oranges. But his mother was so poor that she could not give him, and so she gave only river water instead of oranges. So for this reason, happy prince was crying. Okay children, so what happy prince is going to request our swallow? Let's see. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. So what happy prince asked to the swallow? My dear swallow, will you please take my ruby from my sword hilt? എൻ്റെ വാളിൻ്റെ ആ അറ്റത്തുണ്ടല്ലോ ആ പിടി, ആ പിടിയിലുള്ള ആ റൂബീനെ, can you give this to that poor people? When happy prince asked like this, immediately the response by our swallow was different. That we'll see. I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. My friends are flying up and down the Nile. I think you know about the Nile river, yes? So my friends are flying up and down in that Nile river. Swallow, swallow, little swallow. Again, prince asking small request. Okay. I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. Again, what swallow said? He was waited there by his friends in that Nile. So at that time, again, prince asking small help, requesting. Okay. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you not stay with me for one night and be my messenger? The boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad. Why Happy Prince was asking the swallow, requesting the swallow? Because that boy was thirsty and the mother had no money. Yes, children. So because of that, the swallow, even though the swallow was not willing to go or do those things, this Happy Prince requesting the swallow. Okay. Why swallow is not ready to help? Let's see. I don't think I like boys, answered the swallow. Last summer when I was staying on the riverside, there were two rude boys who always threw stones at me. They never hit me. Of course, we swallows fly far too well for that. Okay, so what swallow said? I was not willing to help the boy because it was two rude boys who always throw stones at the swallow when the swallow was staying on the riverside. Maybe last year it happened. The stones never hit the swallow. That's what swallow proudly saying, that the stones never hit me because the swallow could fly very far. It immediately flew off from that place. So, maybe by God's grace, I escaped. Okay. Because of that, the swallow did not like to help a boy. What about my boys? No, you never do those things. Yes? Always love the small creatures. Okay? They are very lovely to see. Don't disturb them. Okay, children? This rude meaning ill-mannered. Okay, here ill-mannered boys. Now I'll move to the next page. Listen, the messenger. So, who is going to be the messenger? Let's see. The messenger. The Happy Prince looked so sad that the swallow was sorry. The swallow said, I can't help that boy. Because of that, Happy Prince felt sorry. Okay? It is very cold here, he said, but I will stay with you for one night and be your messenger. Within seconds maybe, or within few minutes, the swallow changed its mind and said, okay, the place is very cold. Okay, no problem. I'll be your messenger and I'll help those people. The swallow agreed to be the messenger. Okay. Thank you, little swallow, said the prince. So the swallow picked out the ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with it in his beak over the roofs of the town. Okay, what swallow did, children, at that moment? The swallow agreed to spend that night, and Happy Prince also happy now. Okay, so even though the situation was very chill, the swallow agreed to be the messenger. So it picked the ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with it in its beak towards the poor house. Yes, children? Okay. So next paragraph. He came to the poor house and looked in. The boy was tossing feverishly on his bed and the mother had fallen asleep. Poor condition, yes. So what happened at that moment? That swallow came there and it looked in through the window. So there the boy was tossing പറഞ്ഞ ടോസ് ചെയ്യുക, ബ്രെഡ് ടോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക പറയുമ്പോൾ അങ്ങടും ഇങ്ങടും ചുട്ടെടുക്കുക എന്നുള്ള അതാണ് അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം, തിരിച്ചിടുക. ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ് ഫീവറിഷ്ലി ഹിയർ ദിസ് ബോയ് വാസ് rolling this side and that side because of that much high fever. This boy can't able to sleep. Okay, children, very poor boy, small one, can't accept that body. That body is not able to accept the fever. So that boy is tossing this side and that side. In that poor situation, that mother had fallen asleep because going on talking with that boy, this mother fell asleep. Okay, he laid the ruby on the table. Who? Our swallow. Okay, laid the ruby on the table. Then he flew gently round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. Okay, what happened? After keeping that ruby on the table, this bird, swallow, it flew gently round the bed. Why? Because to give comfort to that boy. Fanning the boy's forehead means അവൻ്റെ തലഭാഗത്ത് അവനൊരു സുഖം കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ swallow പറന്നു പോവാണ്. Okay, to give comfort or to understand, make that boy understand that I am also there for you. Like that, the swallow flew gently over the boy. Okay. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done. At last, again, the swallow returned back to that happy prince and told him what and all he did. Okay. I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. At that moment, what's that swallow said? Happy prince, I felt something warm, some peace, because I don't know why. In this chillness, in this cold situation, I feel warmth. That's what that swallow said. Why, children? Why that swallow said like that? Happy prince was explaining that. Listen, that is because you have done a good deed, said the happy prince. What happy prince told? Because you did a good work. Yes, what you did is the best one. Okay, children. Why did the swallow again that feeling warmth, children? As per the happy prince, that's right. Yes, it was only because of the good deed done by the swallow. Okay. So the feeling of the warmth gives everybody an inner happiness. Okay, children, because of this, that swallow fell asleep. So the situation, because of this, two chillness, even though the climate is very chill, the swallow felt asleep. Okay, so children, I think I took 4 pages. Okay, I read 4 pages. So my dear children, I'm not giving too much of work. Just read these pages. Okay, that's your homework. Don't write meanings and question answers now. Just read all the pages 5 times. It is reading skill. Read, read, read. That is the only work for this week. Okay, my dear parents, be the judge there. After the reading, you should send me the message. Not your children, you are going to send me the message for this week. Okay, ask the children to read. If they are not accepting, call me. I'll ask them to read. Okay, so do it, and my dear parents, send me the message. Okay, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye. I'll meet you in the next class.